Hello everyone, my name is Goran. Welcome here at the InfoComm show. We're very happy to be here and to present our new products to the AV industry. What you see here is our latest product addition to the single chip line called I65. This is an economic installation projector. It is a continuation of our I600 product line. It uses the same lenses, it has the same look and feel, but it comes with a change electronics. It offers a solid 4K 60 performance. It offers one of the first Barco projectors that has an SDM input slot for versatility of inputs for the customers. It comes in 3 brightness ranges: 10, 13, and 16K, both wide U and 4K UHD resolution, and it's also much more affordable. So this is our new addition, I65 single chip DLP, coming with our ILD lens range and 10, 13, 16,000 lumen wide U and 4K UHD. Thank you. You can see more information about this on the Barco website, www.barco.com.